Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'm going to paint a huge canvas, and guess what? What I'm going to write on it? Yes, I'm going to do calligraphy. I'm writing 𝙬𝙗𝙧𝙖𝙬 on it. So let's start with me. So here, first of all, I'm using a flat brush. I'm using flat brush to paint background of the painting, and I'm using the shades of blue here. As you can see, my white color is completely dry, so I'm not going to use it here. Actually, I have another white color, so I'm using that one here. I'm adding titanium white here in the blue, and now going to use this color on the background. Actually, it is taking a lot of time because the background is too big. Friend, I have also applied a thin layer of 𝙤𝙪𝙗𝙧𝙖𝙬 on the back side of the canvas so that the canvas cloth will become less flexible. And now I am going to use this shade of blue on the sides of the canvas for the darker effect. And using this shade on the middle of the canvas. As you can see, my background is almost done. And now I'm going to paint another coat of blue here. So here are the final results. And now the second step is tracing. I'm tracing all the designs and then using the golden color on the sides of the canvas. My friends, as you can see, I have traced 𝙬𝙗𝙧𝙖𝙬 here, and now I am going to paint white color on it. As you can see, white color is looking very pretty on the blue background, and I think it's looking more beautiful than the golden color. So friends, if you are new to my channel, kindly like and subscribe to it, and don't forget to share it with your friends. So friends, here my painting is almost done. As you can see, it's looking very beautiful. So friends, if you want to buy my paintings, you can buy from Instagram. The link is in description. You can follow me on Instagram for more updates. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you like it. And now see you in the next video. Till then, take care.